is New York Central Railroad Swing Bridge, and I believe that this is closed too, and it's it was owned by New York Central Railroad, but now it's converted also to footbridge. It's a deck plate girder swing. Used to carry the New York Central Railroad. Deck plate girder bridge over the Kalamazoo River, and it's located in Allegan, Michigan. And see, look at you see the railings and everything. You can tell that it has been converted to foot traffic. So which means that's a footbridge located in so it doesn't operate, and it's fixed as a fixed bridge, and it's located in Allegan, Michigan.